Hello team. So today market was showing us very indecisive movements, not that much good. In the pre-market analysis audio in our Telegram channel during the opening before the market open, I shared to you some of views that today, yes, market is having somewhat bullishness, but provided market must have to cross some levels and one must have to look for the budget day high. And after the opening as well, I told to you that market is going to be sideways within this particular range between this DR4 to the DR3 range. So you can clearly see that market does not have any clear cut decisiveness within this particular range. Yes, below that market is showing you the movement, but that with the base candles. So that's also the very big confusion for you. Now many of you might have some queries that, sir, what we call this, either a double distribution trend day or the sideways day. Now if you look, then in this candle when market is breaking this initial balance low, okay, at that particular level market does not able to close below this initial balance low and below this 20 EMA. But in this candle at 11:35 market was able to close below that initial balance low. So definitely if you want to go for the trade, then as per the rules you can go for the trade at this place. Stop loss above this base candle high, so stop loss is somewhat 85 to 90 points like that, and target to the lower level. Now if you are going to consider this as the double distribution trend day, then the target is of something 167 point or so, okay, of the initial balance range. From the initial balance low, if you measure out the 167 point, then the target is achieved in this candle. But before that market was reversing. So what you have to do here is you must have to be flexible. Many times I am saying to you, and in the training program as well, that you must have to be flexible in the trading, in your target, in your entry or the exits, okay. But that's not for the all the time, but some of the time you must have to analyze like that. You must have to be flexible like that. So here what's the clue? The clue is the CPR. And in the pre-market analysis audio, I clearly mentioned to you that if market is going to have somewhat more weakness, then definitely one can look for the market profile POC. Okay, and that POC is also achieved at this place. But I clear cut mentioned you that that is going to be very much indecisive. Why? Because we are having the CPR above the POC. So one must have to look for that as well. Yes, guys, day to day, the structure is going to be different. Okay, the structure is going to be different on day to day base. So based on that I am sharing my own personal views and which is working on day to day base. Okay, so if you want to be well aware about the all market movements and sentiments for the bank nifty, then what you have to do, you must have to join this Telegram channel, guys. You are going to get the pre-market analysis audio daily before 9:15. On the broader picture, market participants clearly told us that we are having the bearishness. Bears do not want to give up. Okay, bears are again taking the charge over here and they shows us the rejection from the higher level. So what does this mean? This means complete indecisiveness in the market. Yes, it may be due to the Adani case. We do not know. I think there is a hearing of Adani Group in the Supreme Court, I think tomorrow on the 17th. I don't know exactly because I am not following all the news. But all the news as per the Dow theory says that market is going to discount everything. Market is showing the real thing that yes, Dow theory is all about. It's not the Dow index, okay, it's the Dow theory. So this is it for the today. Market is having the clear cut indecisiveness. Neither bears are willing to give up or neither bulls are willing to give up over here. So we must have to be stay very light within this particular range. And today market again gave us new high, okay, and that high is very near to this budget day high. So this is very big indecision in the market and one must have to be very light within this before this 42,000 mark, okay, on the spot chart. And on the lower side Yes, we can draw the trend line over here and one can follow that as well. And market is showing us the bearishness today and it is also closing near to the 20 EMA on the daily time frame chart. So, any candle closing below this will surely give us somewhat more bearishness to the market participants. But due to the fear, okay, why? Because bulls are also having the fear that if we are going to buy over here and we are going to make some position over here, then bears will take the charge and they are going to hit our stop losses. Bears are also having the mindset that, oh, if we are going to make the positions over here, then bulls may take over the charge over here and our stop loss might be triggered over here. So what we have to do is kindly stay very light to trade for few days, wait for the market to break this budget day high or on the lower side this 41,100 mark. Before that, market has the clear cut indecision. Yes, from the market profile and the volume profile structures, you can have some clues about the possible support and resistance within this particular range. But personally, I would like to say that kindly stay very light, and those who are the option seller and those are hedging their positions, kindly look for the hedge of this boundary, okay, 42,000 and the on the below side 41,000 in round figure. So within this particular range, definitely you are going to have the heaven, you are going to get your premium, you can have the benefit of the theta erosion, the premium erosion, delta, whatever you are going to say. And for the option buyer, kindly stay light, whatever you are going to get, book the profit, stay in the intraday mode, or do the scalping and follow the initial balance and the 6 steps of market days. Because on day-to-day base, you are clearly seeing that the 6 steps of market days concept is working very, very fine, along with the overall market context from my pre-market analysis audio. And if you knows very well, then you might have somewhat extra edge as well. So guys, this is it for the today. Kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel and comment below this video. Also join the Telegram channel, guys.